Hello everyone and welcome to our new video vlog. Today we are in Prague. So we started our day with coffee, a beautiful place to have a visit. First recommendation.
Taste review.
Starting with the day, I put some salt into the coffee and super.
Okay, please. Pickle?
Hey Aniket, how was your first day in Prague?
First, in Prague, very good. मीठ खाल्ले प्रागचं.
मीठ खाल्लेलं आहे प्रागचं.
कॉफीमध्ये टाकून मीठ खाल्लं गेलं सोबत.
दिवसाची सुरुवात छान झालेली आहे आमची.
Expected as sugar, but it was not sweet. It was salty and coffee came. So day one in Prague started with the coffee and it's very horrible. There was some salt in the coffee, but good cafe and the coffee was also nice. Later we just exchanged the coffee. Now we are moving towards exploring the city, checking in our hotels, and then should be a 3-day trip for us. Let's enjoy it. Boys, have a look at the dancing building of Prague. This is the statue behind the building, and this is what we are heading towards the Lenin Kai Sonande? We are heading now towards what? We are heading towards Lenin Wall. We changed our plans then. We just saw that the Charles Bridge is more near to this monument, and so we decided to go to the Charles Bridge. नमस्कार मित्र हो.
जय महाराष्ट्र.
आपण आता आहोत चार्ल्स ब्रिज वर.
सोन्यासारख्या शहरात सोन्यासारखी माणसं.
वा 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 वा.
तुम्ही या मॅप मध्ये बघू शकता चार्ल्स ब्रिज आणि आमच्या बरोबर मागे एक कॅसल पण आहे जो आम्ही फिरणार आहे. पण आम्ही आता खूपच दमलेले दिसतोय.
Then we decided to roam down the streets of Prague. Those were too much crowded. A lot of tourists there. Then we reached the clock tower, which is at the city center of Prague. So this was the night view from the Charles Bridge. The city looked very beautiful at the time. Here we were told that you make a wish and it gets fulfilled. So this was the end of our day one, guys, in Prague. Tomorrow we'll be visiting the castle behind there and the Lenin Wall. Probably we'll also check out the tower, the city tower. See you for the next. Welcome to the day 2, guys. Are we excited?
Yeah!
When are you going back to Delhi to meet your friend Yaya? Does it mean that you don't want to meet Yaya? One of the recommendations for breakfast, this Dosa Dosa restaurant, where you will get some delicious South Indian food. So today we are on our way to the castle. Refreshments necessary, and there is so much crowd today.
Very hot.
It's too sunny today. There are some steps which we need to walk, and it's so much sunny, so we need the refreshments. Cookies always with me. Cheers. 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 What are cheers? Come on. What is this behavior? Now we are out of the castle, Prague castle, and we are heading towards the Lenin Wall. It is approximately 800 meters from here, so it's better to go walking. And
Even though we are going to Lenin Wall, the architecture of this castle,
you can see
and
behind the castle.
the way it is structured is so good. Like, you all should always have a bucket list where you visit Prague once. It's beautiful.
Choose the
beautiful.
points correctly. Make sure you decide what you have to visit, because there's many people visiting at a time, and it's very much crowded, so you have to make the bookings early. And one important tip, never forget your passport. Keep your passport with you. It's very necessary. So let's go towards the Lenin Wall now. Another attraction was the narrow street of Prague, and then of course we were surprised to see a new animal. This is a must-visit place for some Italian food. So after waiting a long time, this is what we have. What is this? Mango sherbet. And that's crazy stuff.
It is one of
So
Charlie's. Come on. Charlie's Dada.
So this was the end of our day too, guys. Tomorrow we are doing the city tour in an old car, and then we end our tour. Thanks. Stay tuned. So welcome to the day 3 of our vlog in Prague. Today we will be doing the old town car trip. Now we are on the way to the car. I'll show it. Let's go. Let's check it out.
Concert hall, right-hand side, philosophical faculty of the Prague University, and Pinkas Synagogue, 16th century, because this part on the right-hand side, it was a Jewish quarter originally, you know. Jews, they lived here since ever, together with Czech, with German merchants, happily, but since the beginning of the 13th century, they were not allowed to leave their quarter. That's why we call it Jewish ghetto. And this Prague Jewish ghetto belonged, you can see Jews, you know, with this typical cap on their hat. Now we are passing. So this area belongs to Jews. Nowadays, again, well, 6 million Jews were murdered in concentration camps during the World War II. Klaus Synagogue, the right-hand side, next to the Jewish cemetery. And this Jewish cemetery in Prague is the 3rd oldest Jewish cemetery in the whole world. Very nice preserved. Watch the right-hand side again. The barrack house with 2 clocks. There are 2 clocks, do you see? One on the tower and one beneath with Hebrew numbers. And this Hebrew number clock goes to in the opposite way. So I like this clock because it makes us younger, you know. And it's a Hebrew Jewish municipal hall. And the oldest synagogue in the whole world, which still works since the 13th century, is so-called Old New Synagogue, here, the right-hand side. And you see, it stays deeply than is the normal,
Street.
you know. And this is the original level of Prague.
Okay.
Very often flooded by the river, so that they put soil onto the streets, so now we are driving maybe 3-4 meters higher than was the original level of these streets. And this Pařížská or Parisian street, as you wish, is the most expensive one, you know, in our whole country. So an average price for a square meter to hire such a boutique would cost you 3,000 euros. It's a bargain. Munich is expensive. Unforgettable, whoever you want is here. Okay. Well, wash your car. And now we are coming into the heart of our capital. This is so-called Old Town Square. Everybody knows there is the old municipal hall, this Gothic tower, and behind the corner there is the astronomical tower.
So we are back. We are now going to the city tower, the Prague city tower, which is most famous here. It's around 700 meters walk. So maybe you have some lime scooters, but we didn't find any. So we are just walking. We'll check the view from above. It shows the whole city from above, so it should be good.
5 minutes later.
What's the situation, Amog? What are you thinking? Honest review. It's more 200 meters. Stairs, yes, but steep slope. You have to climb. This guy also saying something. Crazy stuff.
Slow.
Don't stop.
Slow.
We still reach in 200 meters. Let's see. This is what you would see. We're planning to go up there. Let's see the beautiful view from above. People already died here. Very much tanning, guys.
That's what happens when you are doing a trip in EU during summers.
This was the end of our vlog, guys. If you like the travel journey, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.
Bye guys.